As your partner, look for the corners. Element left. Hey, left element, and then grand right and left. It's grand right and left you go. It's grand little right and left, and a grand little right and left, and a walk and talking. Well, grand right and left you sing and meet this lady fair you know, and then you promenade when you get to the partners all. You promenade your partners. You promenade to go around this town, and you take this lady right on home now. You're doing fine, you're doing great, and you get this lady home. Now, when you park your tractors, fellas, I want you to park your tractors in the girls' spot. Park in the girls' spot when you get back home. Park in the girls' spot. So that means you're going to be a little to the right. Wait till I introduce my fellas before you get your... Just pull right in there. And there you go, park in the girls' spot. And there you've got the Middle Creek Tractor Swingers. Before you fellas come out, if you wait just a second, I'll introduce our people. Okay. Hey, I'd like to introduce the ones that